Hey y'all, do you ever have a recipe that calls for softened butter and you're like, oh no, well, my microwave doesn't work. And do you have hard butter? Here's a helpful hint. Take your butter out of the container, put it on a plate next to the stove, and I'm cooking dinner, softening my butter to make some dessert at the same time. This takes about, depends how high you have your stove. I have mine on super low, so this could take about 10 minutes, and you kind of rotate your little plate around. Anyway, you'll have softened butter in about 10 minutes.